What's up, YouTube? We are back on this tire nightmare. Man, I got so many. So, without further ado, I guess we'll just get started. I'm going to go ahead and prep this area and see if I can get some of this old... God, I wish I had something, a little workbench or something. Maybe I can... Bought these sawhorse brackets at Home Depot. I still haven't, I have enough 2x4 if I use pressure treated to put them together, but I'm not using, obviously I'm not using pressure treated on sawhorses. So let's go ahead and clean this junk off. Really want to come off. Sanding rubber is about the most frustrating thing in the world. It really does not like to be sanded. Alright, so, but that's fine. The glue will sort of dissolve the rubber, so it should still give me a moderately decent patch. Yes, so let's just make sure we're on camera here. Apply a little bit of glue. Oh Lord, tell me this glue hasn't all dried out. And it feels empty as fuck. Shit. Oh, well, this is kind of a disaster. So I am out of glue, YouTube, and that is super annoying. God, I don't even have any. Oh, you know, I swear I used to have some air mattress repair glue. I just don't know if I can find it. Let's see if we can find it real quick, which is probably an impossibility. It's one of those things that you know you held on to, but you don't have any idea where it is. Got some toothpaste, deodorant, a rock, Zippo lighter. That's not going to do it. Oh, it just kills me because I held on to that stupid tube of glue for so long. I don't know what in God's name I did with it. Oh, wait, well, that's super glue. God, too much junk. We're going to have to improvise, YouTube. We are going to have to improvise, as so often in the case, in a real prepping scenario. Fortunately, I'm not relying on this bike to save my life right now. So, let's see, how fast does this stuff dry? Let dry for 10 minutes. Man, I don't want to let this shit dry for 10 minutes. Oh, that is kind of annoying. Especially because I have two places to put this glue, makes it even more frustrating. I don't know what the chances that I can get two of these pieces of glue to not go anywhere undesirable. What's that other one? There it is. Okay, so we got that one. And this one. Yeah, see, it's already going all over the place. Well, man, that is a big freaking hole too. Good Lord. right. So we have glue number 1 and glue location number 2. And so I'm going to try and very carefully, of course they don't want to just sit here, that one does, but this one maybe like that, sort of, kind of. I want it to be level so that glue doesn't flow in an undesirable way. Easier said than done. Okay, so we have too much glue on that patch, but I'm not going to try to wipe it off because I'm just going to get glue all over the place, basically. Maybe just a little bit off that corner. Whatever. So we got some glue here, some glue here. Might need just a little more glue in that spot. Oh, I need my tripod to not fail me. Let's see, where's this hole? Yeah, I'm gonna push this glue a little more that way. So we're gonna let this tack up for 10 minutes and then we will be back. We'll put these patches on. I will probably clamp them and let them sit until at least tomorrow or until I get home. And then I will put some more air in the tire, and if those weren't the places that it's leaking from, if I just messed those up from taking them out of the tube, because I didn't have enough talcum powder in there or something, we will reinflate the tube and go from there. Until next time, stay safe, stay ready, and keep all your vehicles running better than I do, and keep prepping.